Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. We are in the Apple store. Royalty just she just went to Apple Camp. And yeah, she created like I'm gonna put a piece right here. She just created like not an emoji, but like an AI character. And look at it wasn't this one. It was this one.
I wanted to do this one.
Oh. Because she knows what she's doing. You know what you're doing? Yes. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
She's so stink, y'all. Look at her shirt. Okay, fit check, Royalty. Okay.
I'm gonna search my mom again.
Oh God. Yeah, so we're at the Apple
I'm gonna
store.
search my mom.
It is so beautiful. It's such a beautiful day outside today. And that was so cool. We just happened to come in here and they told us about Apple Camp. And we were like, Apple Camp? She was like, yeah, go upstairs and she can have some fun and stuff like that. Hey you guys, so I'm not too sure what happened with my camera as far as picking up my voice. So I'm just basically going to talk to y'all for a little bit. So right now I'm talking about the little island as you see. And this is on West 14th Street and I believe 12th Avenue by Pier 55. And this is actually my first time and Royalty's first time actually being here. Now as a city girl, and I mean a real city girl, born and raised, you would think that I have visited every single part of New York City. But it's not true. But I am starting to explore where I live a little bit more. And I'm happy that we came upon this because, listen, this is the place to go to relax, to go for a walk, whether with your husband, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your wife, your kids. Go have lunch, sit by the water. The weather was amazing. I'm definitely going back. Go ahead. Play something. Look, she be hating.
I made like you know how the sounds are like on the boat? It's a hotel.
You think that's a hotel? Okay. Let's see what's going on up in here. You want a snack? No? You want a snack? Or you want to walk and then go get food? Okay. You want to go up there? Okay.
And mind you, it's on the edge.
Oh yeah. That's true.
Can't be scared of that.
Oh my God, I love it here. We gotta come and have lunch here. That really was what I wanted to do. I wanted to get some food and sit down and have lunch. Oh, watch it, baby. Let her take a picture. Wait. Oh, okay. And the weather is amazing. Want to go further up, boo boo? Wait, want to see right there? Okay, go ahead. Oh, wow. That's okay. Wow, Royalty, you see that? Want to go down? beautiful. Right, boo-boo? The breeze is so nice. Have some lunch. Relax. It's really, really nice.
I see some. Tell you, I see a fish.
Oh, the breeze is good. Right, where is he?
Look. That's a boat.
Lifestyle.
Can we sit? We can sit.
Me and Royalty is sitting. This is so nice. We should have. I'm mad we didn't get no food and come over here, right? And sit down and eat.
We're gonna come back when we get our food. We're gonna come back here.
No, because the food places seem like it's further. Like it's all the way down. So whatever we get to eat. That's the ferry that we be wanting to get on. I didn't know where to catch it. Because I checked the schedule. Oh, this is comfortable. It's so beautiful. The breeze is so nice. Can't complain, right? So here I decided to stop at this food truck because Royalty wanted some mozzarella sticks. And they were not top tier, let me be clear. And it was $9 for 5. So I suggest you bring your own lunch. Now right here, we are just chilling and relaxing and kind of waiting on her mozzarella sticks to be done. And we're joking and we're enjoying each other's time. We are loving how the breeze is just blowing in our hair. And of course your girl is hating. She always hating on me. But other than that, we are really having a good time together. And I must say that it was definitely a day well spent. So we're heading to the Skyline. Sit down. Yeah, it's okay. Take them off. It's okay. Put it right here.
1.45 miles long.
It's okay. So nice. So beautiful. I definitely will come back with sandwiches and juices and stuff like that, right? You like it up here? Yeah. Boy. I'm so happy I came out. So nice. You got your water? It's hot, but it's not
Mama, you wanna do yoga?
really hot. No, I don't want to do no yoga. All the people. So I guess we'll sit here for a little while and then head back towards home. I'm not going in there. You're not going in there either. My little science research wherever we go. All right, you guys. I see you guys back at home. Is it cold, boo-boo? Come on. Go around. Go ahead. I'll sit right here. You can play in the water a little bit. It's like an area where you can sit. It's just water flowing.
That's how water flows.
It's clean, guys. So Royalty, we ended up stopping at this place called, what is it called, Royalty? Donut Nuttery, is it? Something like that. But Royalty, oh, it's right here. Donuttery. And they're little mini donuts, and exactly the way you want them. She got like glaze and like a chocolate glaze with sprinkles. It's pretty good though. I'm starting to wind down now. It could be the sun, but that's okay. As long as I got on here and got some sun.
Bye.
Okay, last summer, I was in the house, y'all. Sad, depressed. All of that. Not this summer, I'm outside. What Cardi said. Tonight I'm going outside.
Outside.
Got things to do, places to go, people to see.
Bring me.
Make sure I bring you? Okay. You good to go? It's cold still, Rosie? I love them water bottles. You're too extra. Let me get some. Same way she used to be with her bottle. Like, Rosie, let me get some. Barely giving me any. I said, give mama some baba. Giving me the tip.
Like this? Like,
Yeah.
like that?
All right, you guys. Now we're going home. Oh, we got to stop and get some food. I forgot. Here. And over here is where you, like, eat. You can get, like, burgers and fries and stuff like that. It reminds me a little bit of City Island. Oh, that's where we should have went.
Corny
wonder if I should ask Daddy if he want to go to City Island tomorrow. Remember we went? What you get? You had wings, remember? You got wings, and Mommy got shrimp. Daddy got fish.
Oh, that's in the Bronx.
No, yeah, a little bit past the Bronx.
I don't want to go there.
It's Father's Day. It's not what you want. You don't have to go. You can stay home.
Fine. But it's
Like,
gonna
she
be,
gotta go.
well,
You don't have to go. Maybe I'll take him to go get some Thai food. Where is he?
fill up my water.
No. Fill it up with what? It's time to go. No. All right, y'all. Now we're on the bus. She's tired.
Morning.
Yeah. I realize you really do gotta get them out and about, make them walk up and down, and they will be tired before 5 o'clock. But it was a good day. We got some sun. It was cool. Only thing I wish, like I said before, that we would have, like even if I had cooked food and I brought it over there to sit down and eat, we could have also did that. And that just reminds me that I gotta go in Target because I need to get some stuff for the beach. But anyway, that's not here nor there. But we do gotta get off on First Avenue to go inside McDonald's to get Zion something. But the bus is not crowded at all. So yeah. I'm a little tired, so it's probably the sun, but it was beautiful. It was so beautiful. I know tonight is gonna be even better. So we shall see. We shall see what's going on for tonight. Well, we reach home. This is the end of it. We got some McDonald's. That's what we gonna eat and sit down and call it a day. I'm probably gonna do my nails and stuff because I want to. I ordered some nails like this. But again, tomorrow's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.
Bring me